Hi guys, welcome back. I'm your host DV from DV Photography, and the reason I haven't done videos have been a while is because I am doing or learning how to do video in Adobe Premiere. I never done video. This is my first video. Please leave your comments and things, ideas and stuff that I can do. Remember, I do not know how to work this app. You can call it this program. This is my first time. My friend came to me, and he's a singer. He's an artist. He knows how to write and all that stuff, and he's very good at it. Neo Speedy is his name. And his link to his video is gonna be down in the description, so you can click on it, go over there, subscribe and comment. This he told me to come and do a video with him, so I said okay. I never done video with before. This is my first. And he said, don't worry about it. Let's try. Let's see what we can do, and whatever it is, if it's good, good, and if it's bad, it's bad. So I say okay. If you understand that, let's do it. So he's a very nice guy to work with, and he's very good at this. So please, like I said, go and subscribe to his channel and comment, please. That would be nice. So this is the reason why I haven't done no videos. So I had to learn this Adobe Premiere because I've never done videos. I'm not a good at that. So I had to learn that, and then I had to do all these stuff. I hope you enjoy, and I'm just gonna give you a little bit of the video, so that way you can go to his channel and look at the whole video. And please give us idea, because we never done this before. This is our first time. And let's look a little bit. I'm gonna give you a couple of things. Yes, I had to make this logo because it's DV photos that I done. This is gonna be my logo right here of because that's my last name. This is gonna be my logo for videos. For the first time. I did this myself too. So let me press on play so you can look at a couple of minutes of this video. And yeah, we did this at his home, and he did this the music too. He's very good at this thing, singing and all that stuff. Yeah, that clip, he wants that there, so we did that part in there like that, out of focus. Yeah. And yeah, so yeah, I hope y'all look this and please subscribe and leave your comments. That will be all. Thank you. Until next time, I'm your host DV from DV Photography. Please look at this video, go to his channel and subscribe. Thank you. That will be all. See ya.